Restricted area, authorised personnel only. You are entering the Saturday show.
Can you see Mystique practicing behind us
Centre
there?
stage.
And look, here's where all the cameramen stand. Look at all these going on here.
Crew control zone. Secret passage.
They're now setting up for Gutbusters.
Saturday show extra. Access all areas live. Saturdays 9 to 12 CBBC channel.
Do you know who that is? Do you know who that is? That's Dom as Yvonne, obviously.
Don, yeah, nice
Don.
one. Here are Dick and Dom, the fat blobs, which I think is always charming.
Fat blonde?
Yes. from
Someone set
Anna
one up on the
Possum.
computer thanks to Samantha. Look at this. This is cool. Click on that and you get that. Look at that. Look
Oh,
at that.
hey!
My
Very
word.
nice. And here's another one. Look, another one, Dick and Dom. Dom in his little hairy little pants.
You feeling dizzy yet?
Yeah, I am feeling really dizzy. Are you feeling dizzy at home? I hope you are.
Thanks for all your fans.
It was still very windy. Again, although it was still very windy. But then they felt more drops of water. Was it raining again already? No, it wasn't raining. Teddy had run into a puddle. Andy Pandy liked the puddle. It was a very good puddle, a perfect puddle for sailing a boat. Looby Loo had thought of something important. They hadn't got a boat. But Andy said they'd make a boat. Andy had eaten the last of his cornflakes for breakfast, and he soon made the box into a boat. Andy asked Teddy to look after the stick he'd found so that they could use it as a mast. But Teddy couldn't remember what he'd done with the stick. You can't sail a boat without a mast, so they looked everywhere for the stick until Andy Pandy noticed that Teddy had something stuck behind his ear. While Andy had been building the boat, Looby Loo had found a cloth to use as a sail. And soon, the boat was ready. Andy and Looby licked their fingers to find out which way the wind was blowing. Teddy licked his paw. Teddy didn't like licking his paw. It was too furry. But all the licking reminded Teddy that he hadn't had any lunch. He went home to find some honey. Andy and Looby agreed the wind was blowing from behind them, and they were ready to launch the boat. It sailed perfectly. Andy was so pleased with the boat, he wanted to show it to Bilbo.
So clever. He can repeat anything you say. I can repeat anything you say. I am a clever boy. Cuckoo! Ah! Meow! Quack! 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 All fall down.
This concludes our cuddly critter lessons for the day. To learn more about these and other animals, look for Cuddly Critters, starring Kipper the dog. Now on home video from your friends at Hit Entertainment. It's a wonderful, wonderful world.
Hey, 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 hey! This pirate dancing's fun.
It's a flimsical, whimsical world.
Said it, yeah?